Hello lovelies, this is just Noblecraft. Today I'm going to teach you how I designed this dress using the twist stitch and the running stitch. If this is what you want to learn, keep watching. So before we start, I would love to encourage you with the word. Mark 8 verse 36. What good is it for someone to gain the whole world yet forfeit their soul? Praise the Lord. Going forward, materials needed, I'll call that a coated broken glass bead, a needle, a scissors or plier. Then this is how the gown was. So keep watching to check out the details. First, you've threaded your needle. Take any amount of beads you want. I used 5 so that I can go in between. That's the middle of it. So just keep watching so that you get the details. After picking the amount of beads you want, you place it, position it very well. I will say you place it at 180 degree. Then you come back, as you can see, to the middle of these 5 beads. And you have to be very careful because most times this broken glass can cut your thread. So you have to be very careful how you bead with it. So keep watching. Like I said, make sure you keep it at angle 180. I don't know if you know what is angle 180, but just try to understand. You slant it, then you come back in a straight, I don't know what, yes, I'll call it a straight line, like the bent straight line, the width. Then you keep doing that, keep slanting it where you're placing it, but where you want to come back, you stay in a straight line. That is what is going to make it twist eventually. This dress is one of our ready to wear collections. To see more of us, visit us on Instagram or Facebook at just Noble Collection, or you can also chat us on WhatsApp and TikTok. As you can see, our twisted design is forming, so you keep doing it all through. So guys, this is the point. I'll remind you to subscribe, like and share to get more DIY such as this. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, or you can chat me up on Instagram or Facebook with the name Just Noble Collection. Or if you have any design you want us to try out, you can also message me. We'll try it out. So this is what our twist design looks like. I did the up and the down. This is how beautiful it is. So please check the next video to see how I did the running stitch. Thanks for watching. Do have a nice day. Bye.